Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Camry side mirror glass. First, gather your essential tools like a plastic trim tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and of course, your new replacement mirror glass. Make sure you are working in a well-lit area to clearly see all the components. Having the right tools ready makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror glass. Gently tilt the mirror downward to access the clips behind it. Use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry the old glass away from the housing. If your mirror has heating elements, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connectors. Once the old glass is out, clean any remaining adhesive or debris from the mirror housing. With the housing clean, it's time to install your new mirror glass. If your replacement mirror has heating wires, connect them now. Align the new mirror glass with the clips on the mirror housing. Starting with the bottom tabs, gently press the new glass into place. You should hear it click as it secures. Ensure it's firmly seated and doesn't wobble. Finally, let's perform some important checks. If your vehicle has power mirrors, turn on your car and test the electronic adjustments to ensure the mirror moves correctly in all directions. Double-check that the new mirror glass is securely attached and doesn't rattle. Give the new glass a good clean for optimal visibility. You've successfully replaced your side mirror glass.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.